this really...
He said one day. Nakabidyo. He said one day you'll leave this world behind.
So live a life you'll remember.
Yo, andito kami ngayon sa General Luna at naghahanap kami ng motorcycle rental. Dito kami sa kahabaan ng Tourism Road. Nakakaingit, ang dami na nagmamotor. Wala pa kami nakikitang motorcycle rental. So let's see kung makakahanap tayo. Yun o, nakahanap na kami ng motor. Pasyo. Here. Let's go! Andito kami sa Baby Barbecue. Yes, the sweet sauce. Kasama namin ang aming mga friends.
Ano, Barya?
Hi guys.
Bye.
Barya sa umaga lang. Oo, sa
Say hi.
Where are you from, my friend?
So kakain kami ng mga inihaw na pagkain. Ano yung order mo?
barbecue.
Barbecue, ano barbecue? Nasa barbecue ako ano barbecue. Basta sa akin inihaw naman ako. So yun, ano yung order mo? I ordered pecho.
Harap po doon. Daming park dito.
Oo.
After ba neto, lalabas na tayo?
Oo. Nightlife in Siargao.
Ito aura.
Aura ako dito.
And now guys, pupunta kami sa Tagasa.
San Gasoline Station.
Yes.
Ayun, si guard.
Kuya, saan po pwede magpagas?
Saan po pwede magpagas?
Yan sa unahan bago mag-cloud 9.
Ako. Thank you po.
Right side.
Thank you po.
Hi guys, let's go.
Let's go.
It's 2 a.m. and we're still here at the Tourism Road. Yes, of General Luna. Hello guys.
Hello guys, we're here at...
Road trip kami ngayon. Naghahanap kami ng ice cream.
No. We need flash.
Naghahanap kami ng ice cream.
We need flash.
Mango shake.
Yes.
Shake it up.
Here at Siargao Books Cafe, open 24 hours. Grabe oh. Ganda ng motor oh. Pasyo. Tapos yung motor ko andun. Yan.
Lamig, wala tayong pala. Nalimutan ko.
Good morning everyone. Dito na namin. Ngayon tatambay muna kami sa beach. Kasi nandun na sila, napapalibad sila ng drone. Malapit lang yung beach dito sa amin. Almost beachfront din kami. It takes 1 minute. Wala pang 1 minute. 30 seconds pa lang dito na ako sa beach. Ay. Good morning, Siargao. This is our second day here. And we're here in front of our resort. Ito mga kasama ko. Hey guys! You know, hey, gaganda. Hey, RC. Ano siya? Nagsaset up siya ng drone kasi mamaya magpapalipad kami. Ay, actually tapos na. Nakapag-content na kami kanina. Pang my day, pang stories. Tinry namin yung mga ano. Tinry namin yung mga template and effects ng drone. Kasi nga, hindi pa kami marunong manubela eh. Hindi pa kami marunong magmanubela. Hindi pa kami smooth. So, let's see.
Coming back to me, my heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on and then one day ancient history. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me, what a shame. I think of all the years gone by, all the yesterdays for you and I. It was a flame back then, but oh my, something set ablaze when we said goodbye. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind that ancient history? Ancient history. Ancient history.
Dito na kami sa Asin River. Wala masyadong tao. Konti lang. Ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Saan ka mag-ibihis? Dito na lang. Ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Saan ka mag-ibihis?
Ready.
Ayan. Perfect. Let's go. Let's see. Wow, sarap.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Nice to meet you. Paulo and Bern. Ay, di mo kilala yung mga players.
Just
morning everyone. It's our day 3 here in Siargao. Punta muna ako sa beach. Dala ako ng sapin. Tambay tayo. Let's go. Sobrang init. Thanks God for good weather. So mamaya, mga 1 p.m, mag-island hopping kami. Hapon na yung nakuha naming schedule kasi late na rin kami nag-isip. Hi, drone!
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down, my lady. Short
Video, video.
always down and ready to ride.
Yo, andito kami ngayon sa bandang Malinaw. So while waiting for our boat kasi mag-ano kang ano gagawin natin? Mag-island hopping, yes. Super late na, halos 1:02 na. Bago kami makapag-start, which is dapat 7 ang start. So yeah, so nihintay pa namin yung boat namin. Yay, let's go! Here we go! Dito na kami sa Naked Island. Yeah. Dito kami. Look! Ganda. Mga nagdo-drone din ah. Welcome to Daku Island. Yes. Tayo dun sa mga coconut trees. Yan, mag-volleyball kami. Let's go! Bye-bye! Pagod ako? Yan, the food is here! Hello! Ayan o. Wow! Welcome to Siargao!
Ano din?
Solid. Pa-sunset na. Saka pala kami kakain. Ano, kakain ba?
So guys,
Let's eat!
Ala, sarap! Bakit din? Gusto ko rin umakyat. Ang ganda. Sa bakit? Kato. Ayoko. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Taas na.
One more.
Ay, mabot.
Naninipa ka pa ah.
Isa pa. Nakalimutan ko na maging bata.
Ay, pulko. Uy!
Dito na kami sa Guyam Island. Ang ganda. The sand is super fine. Okay, sunset watching na kami. Wow. So green. Hi. Dito. Turo mo. Hi, Shaina. Hi. Game. These are the night. Ano?
These are the days we live.
He said one day. Nakabidyo. He said one day you'll leave this world behind.
He said one day you leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child. These are the nights that never dies. My father told me to.
Wow. Daming food. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Tignan nyo sila. What? Grabe yan. Nakain o hindi? Nakain o picture? Morning! Dito na kami sa Cloud9.
We're never coming down.
Okay, yung nauna na. Kaway kayo. Woo! Hey, buddy. You say one day you'll lose this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My body told me it's just a child. These are the nights and never die. My body told me. Woo!